Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G, and I'll show you how to adjust notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should open a notification bar and just go here, swipe with your finger to the left and go here to the plus icon. Tap on this icon and here you get the all available buttons that you can add to your notification bar right now, and that's your currently icons in your notification panel. So for example, if you want to add one more icon here, just press for a while with your finger on the available icon and just drag it here to your notification panel. You can add one more by the same way. If you want to remove one from this icon, for example this one, just press by the same way for a second and drag it here. And if you wanna also, you can change the position of your currently the icons just by the same way. Hold for a while and change the position of your icon by this way, and then just tap to done and you'll see the changes. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.